Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Hot Topic, a Sephora haul. I also do have a couple of things from the MINISO store, which is a store where you can find a lot of like Korean based products, but a lot of cute Hello Kitty, Disney princesses, everything kind of products there. So I did go ahead and pick up a few things from there as well. So if you want to see what these products are that I picked up, a lot of them were also for my birthday. So like the Hot Topic was like a $10 gift reward or whatever. I also did get a little birthday gift. I did get a couple of gift cards for Ulta and Sephora, so I do have a couple of those products in here as well. So if you want to see what I picked up, all the products that I have right here in front of me, just keep on watching. First off, we're gonna go ahead and talk about this. This is the MINISO Glitter Compact Mirror. This is so cute. It does have that glitter vibe inside, so when you move it around, you see how adorable that is. So it's just a cute little mirror to carry around in my purse, and you open and it does have a double compact situation. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is so cute. Look at that. But it does come with a 2x side. Oh, you could see everything, girl. And then you have like a normal side on the top. This is adorable, and I'm so happy I picked it up. I think it was maybe like $4.99 or something, but it's so worth it. This is adorable, and Ariel is my favorite princess, so yay. So just pulling something else from the bag. Oh yes, I completely forgot. My boyfriend actually purchased a few things for me as well from MINISO. So we do have these two in here, and these are part of their Pixar collection. So they come out with a bunch of different collections, Hello Kitty and all of that, but for this trip I noticed that they had a couple of Sully products. So we do have this, which is a handheld mirror. Look at how cute that is. Comes with the little mirror. That's adorable, and it's really nice and fluffy as well. Love. So do have this, which is their moisturizing lip balm, and it also does have a little Sully on the top. This is so cute. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, okay. Doesn't really smell like anything. Okay. This is adorable. Can't wait to use this. So I went ahead and picked up this hand cream. This is part of the Disney collection hand cream. It has a little Mickey on it. I love hand creams. If you guys know me, I always have to have them in my purse, in my fanny pack, in my car. I have to have lotions everywhere because my skin just gets really dry and ashy sometimes. So I do go ahead and carry a lot of lotions, and this one's adorable. Can't wait to use it. And this one is, it doesn't say the scent. Yeah, it just says hand cream, so I wonder how it smells, but so cute. So I've been really intrigued by the One Size brand. I really love their makeup dissolving mist, which I have used before. I just haven't been able to purchase again. And also I really want to try their setting spray. Looks amazing. So yeah, but they're always sold out. So I just went ahead and picked up a bronzer and a blush situation. So this is called their Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio, and I got the one in Phat. I get to bring these out. I really wanted to mention them in a haul video before I just start using them, but I'm so excited. So this one again comes with 3 different colors. There's a look at that, so cute. There's a look at this trio. So it does come with a cream color, which is Turquilicious. Then we have Rosebud and BBL. So cute. Cannot wait to use this. Of course, I think the main reason why I wanted these is because I hear so many people talk about them and they rave about these products. Also really love the packaging. I don't know what it is about this bulky packaging. It's also really nice and pink. We also have their Made for Shade bronzer and sculpt trio. I got the one in medium dark. Ooh, love the packaging again. Love that there's a variation, like there's a difference, so you can tell which one's which. Oh, and this one does come with 3 different colors. We have the shade The Fix, Low Key, and Dragged for Filth. So cute. Cannot wait to try this either. There's a swatch of the bronzer trio. There's a swatch of those. Lastly, for the Sephora bag, there's nothing else in here, is what I got for my birthday gift. So I got the Glow Recipe Beauty Insider situation. It comes with a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and also does come with their toner. So yay, super exciting. Let me show you guys how those look. They're so cute and such a cute little baby size. Ooh, can't wait to try this out. Again, this is just our brightening, what is this? Oh, they're dew drops. Cannot wait to try that. And then we have the toner as well. So cute. Now let's get into the Hot Topic finds. I'm so excited about this. So first off, we have this, which is part of their like My Melody and Kuromi collection. So this is a handheld mirror, and I had seen this I think the beginning of September, and I didn't pick it up. You know, I was like, next time I'll pick it up, whatever. And then I saw it again and I had to grab it. So this retailed for $16.90. I don't know if we did a price match or not, but you guys know I use my handheld mirrors quite a bit on my channel. So I'm always doing get ready with me, so you guys always see my mirror. So I'm like, let's just pick it up because it's so cute. And even though I have this one as well, you can never have too many handheld mirrors. There's a look at the mirror. Look at how cute that is. A little bulky. There's the mirror there. And it does come with this, just a little black heart chain. This is so cute. I was so excited about this. They had some Bratz lashes. So you guys know I love Barbie. I love Bratz. I love everything pink. It's so cute. And I love putting it in my background. I did just get this put in as well. I have a lot of new situations. So I did see these Bratz. These are part of the Bratz Pink and Punk eyelashes. I also did have the handbag that goes with this collection as well. Not the biggest fan of the handbag, which is why I didn't pick it up, but I just went ahead and grabbed the lashes because, girl, I love Bratz. So this did retail for $6.90. There's a look at the style. They're actually really nice. They definitely look a very dramatic vibe, specific style to them that I see. But it does also come with a lash glue in here as well. So if you're looking for Bratz lashes, they have them at Hot Topic. So cute. I'm just like pulling out random stuff. Oh yes, I also did come across some more like Barbie merch. I've been like stocking them up. Obviously it was just because of the movie coming out, but I did come across this choker and it's so cute. I have a couple of Barbie necklaces from Hot Topic that I picked up recently. As you guys know, this did retail for $12.90 and it's just so cute. So I'm like, girl, I have like so many Barbie shirts. I'm like, girl, I'm definitely gonna get use out of this. It's so cute. There's a close-up look at that. How adorable is that? So to go along with that mirror, we also do have this. This is also something that I wanted to pick up because I want to do a video using some like Hot Topic Halloweeny vibes. And this is one of the palettes that I saw that I really wanted to use, the Hello Kitty and Friends. This is a little Halloween palette. This is called the 11 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter palette, Sanrio Pumpkin Ride Halloween palette. That's what it's called. Look at how cute that is. I'm gonna give you guys an ultra close-up look at the palette. It does come with a mirror and there's a look at the color story. Really cute and colorful vibes. Definitely is doing Halloween, but also like everyday kind of vibes. Let me give you guys a close-up look at these shades. So adorable. So I cannot wait to use this. I'm definitely looking forward to using the blue and green shades, to be honest. So yeah, so cute. Definitely could not pass up on this palette. I also saw that they had some press-on nails that go with that collection, so I just had to pick them up. These are the Hello Kitty and Friends press-on nails. Not sure if I'm gonna have them on when I film that video, to be honest, but hopefully I do. I mean, they're cute and they're Halloweeny, and these did retail for $10.90. But again, I did have a bunch of coupons. I had like $10 off and this and that, so I didn't pay full price for everything because of my birthday gift, because of all the like Hot Topic bucks or whatever. So I did get a great deal on this haul from Hot Topic. And again, $10.90 is a lot for press-on nails. You can find cheaper ones and same quality, maybe even better quality on Temu and Shein. So yeah, don't feel pressure to pick these up, but I just thought they were really cute and they go with that collection, so that's why I picked them up. But girl, you can pick up press-on nails from anywhere for cheap. So these are just really cute. Getting down to the last two products, we have the lip balm. This is a vanilla scented lip balm and it's Stitch, which is a glow in the dark and has like a little skeleton face. There's a look at that. And we also do have the palette that goes with this collection. How cute is that? There's a close-up look at the Stitch lip balm. It is vanilla scented. It does have the lip balm on the bottom, just like the little Barbie card that I have back here. It's the same thing and it is black. Oh, it smells so good. And also I cannot pass up on this palette. This is a little Stitch palette, Stitch skeleton palette. Look at how cute that is. So there's a look at that. And then the color story, it does come with a circle mirror, not too big, but it's okay. And then there is a look at the color story. This one's definitely giving me more Halloweeny vibes than the Hello Kitty one. This is so cute. Again, ultra close-up look at the shades. You do get the Stitch skeleton on the back, in the background. So cute. That was the last product. Definitely let me know what was your favorite product from Hot Topic, or have you tried these one size products? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next upload. Bye.